Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll help you get the best from the dial-in service menu on your One Phone. It lets you set up and manage your features and settings from your One Phone. So if you can't access the One Phone portal for any reason, perhaps you're traveling, you can do everything on your phone using the dial-in service menu. We'll show you the main menu options and explain how they work. Accessing the dial-in service menu. To access the dial-in service menu in the UK, just dial 8880 from your One Phone. You can access it from another phone by calling 07953 223 880 or +44 7953 223 880 if you're calling from abroad. For security, you'll be asked for a PIN code. Here's how to set up your PIN if you don't have one already. In the One Phone portal, under the Personal Info tab and Username and Password, or by choosing Option 3 in the Dial-in Service menu, or by calling the One Phone Help Desk. Once you're in the Dial-in Service menu, the audio instructions will explain your options. Press star at any time to get back to the main menu. Here are some of the things you can do through the Dial-in Service menu. Option 1. Changing your present status. Select Option 1 to change your present status. The system will tell you what your current present status is, and you'll be given instructions to change it to something else. Each status is active for a default period of time. If you're happy to use that, then just enter the present status code followed by hash. If you want your status to be active for longer than the default time, then enter the present status code, followed by the time in hours and minutes, and then hash. So 011600 and hash means status number 1 will be active until 4 p.m. Some present statuses like on holiday use days rather than hours, so you'll need to specify a day and month rather than hours and minutes. As an example, 02 2910 and hash means status number 2 will be active until the 29th of October. If you're happy to use the default present status, just press 00 hash and it'll stay as default until you update it. Option 3. Setting up your voicemail. To set up your voicemail name and a personal greeting, choose Option 3. Then choose 1. To record your name, 2. To listen to your current voicemail name, 3. To record your personal greeting, 4. To play back your current personal greeting, or 5. To listen to or change your voicemail PIN code. Option 2. Listening to your voicemail. Choose Option 2 to listen to your voicemail, or dial 8888, or press and hold 1. Any new messages will be played straight away. After listening to these, press 6 to listen to old, saved messages. While you're listening to a message, you can access a range of functions to help you manage your voicemail through the keys on your phone. Press 0 to find out the caller's name and number. Press 1 to return the call. Press 2 to forward the message to a colleague. Press 4 to play the next message. Press 5 to repeat the message. Press 7 to delete the message. Or press 9 to save the message. Option 4. Setting up a Follow Me number. A Follow Me number is an alternative UK number that you can forward all your incoming calls to. To set one up, choose Option 4 in the Dial-in Service menu. If you're calling from your One Phone, enter the Follow Me number and then hash. If you're calling from another phone and want to use it as your Follow Me number, press 0, then hash. To deactivate your Follow Me number, just press 0. You can also use the Dial-in Service menu to manage your group status and settings, if you're part of a call group or a group manager. Create an individual conference bridge number and PIN so you can hold conference calls, and listen to group voicemails, if you have permission to do so. There's more information about these functions in your One Phone user guide. If you want more information about how to get the best from the One Phone dial-in service and answers to other common questions, visit bt.com/BT1PhoneHelp.